Physical Features of India, Chapter 2, Class 9th Geography. This is first part of this chapter. It is map of India showing relief features of our country. In northern part we have Himalaya, after that northern plains, peninsular plateau, Great Indian Desert, coastal plain and island groups of India. All physical features of the earth are the result of plate movement. So what are these plates? This is crust of the earth has been formed out of 7 major and some minor plates. Movement of these plates result folding and faulting. Plate movement classified into 3 types: convergent, divergent and transform boundaries. This is a diagram of plate boundaries. First one is showing divergent movement resulting faulting and formation of rift valley and block mountains. Second movement is transform plate boundary, result vibration on the earth surface or earthquakes. Third diagram is showing movement of plates towards each other, that is convergent plate boundary resulting folding and formation of folded mountain like Himalayas. Now we will learn about story of Indian subcontinent. India is the part of oldest landmass, Gondwana land, which includes India, Australia, South Africa, Antarctica and South America. Movement of convectional current inside the earth split crust into number of pieces. Now the drifting of Indo-Australian plate towards much larger Eurasian plate collide with each other and results folding and formation of mountain system of today's. Folding of accumulated material which was deposited in large geosyncline tethys. This is diagram which demonstrate formation of Himalaya. Second important feature is formation of northern plain. When Himalayas were uplifting out of tethys, at the same time northern part of peninsular plateau was subsidizing towards depression. Some rivers of peninsula and Himalaya brought their material to deposit in that depression. Gradually, depression got filled with depreciation of sediments by the rivers. Resulting flat land of alluvial deposit led to the formation of northern plain. This is picture of great mountain walls of India, the Himalaya. Himalayas are the young fold mountains of India, known for their high peaks and rugged features. Their folds are asymmetrical in nature and consist of 3 parallel ranges. First range is known as Great Himalayas or Himadri, consists of highest peak with average height of 6,000 meters. Range lying to the south of Himadri is known as Himachal or Lesser Himalayas. Altitude varies between 3,700 and 4,500 meters and width is of 50 km of this range. Pir Panjal forms the longest and most important ranges. Dhauladhar and Mahabharat range are the 2 most important example of this range. Famous valleys of this Himachal range is Kangra, Kulu and Kashmir Valley. Outermost range is called Shivaliks. Their average altitude is between 900 to 1600 meters and composed of unconsolidated sediments, means which are not fully compact and prone to landslides. Now the Himalayas are divided according to region as follows. Punjab Himalaya, according to this, Punjab Himalaya extended between Indus and Satluj. Second is Kumayu Himalayas between Satluj and Kali. Third is Nepal Himalayas between Kali and Tista. And fourth is Assam Himalayas between Tista and Dihang. Purvanchal hills consist of Mizo, Naga and Manipur hills. This is list of some highest peaks of this Himalayan range. Second Most important feature is Northern Plains of India. It is formed by deposition of alluvium in vast basin over millions of years by the major river system Ganga, Brahmaputra and Indus. This plain is 2400 km long and 240 km in eastern side and 320 km broad in western side. Western part of western plain is known as Punjab Plains, formed by Indus and its tributaries Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas and Satluj. This section of plain is dominated by doabs. Doab is an area between two rivers. Ganga plain extends between Ghagra and Tista rivers, is spread over the states of Haryana, Delhi, UP, Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal. To the east in Assam lies Brahmaputra plain. On the basis of relief features, Northern plain classified into four sections. Number 1 is Bhabar, second one is Tarai, third is Bhangar and fourth is Khadar. Now this is number 1 relief feature, Bhabar. The river, after descending from the mountains, deposit pebbles in a narrow belt of about 8 to 16 km in width, lying parallel to the slopes of the Shivaliks. And the second region is Tarai region. South of Bhabar, the stream and rivers re-emerge and create a wet, swampy and marshy region, and that region is known as Tarai. It is good for cultivation. Third relief feature of northern plain is Bhangar. It is third important feature. It lies above the flood plain of the river and present a terrace-like feature. It is an area of older alluvium which covers a large area of northern plain. Next feature is Khadar. The newer, younger deposit of the floodplain are called Khadar. They are renewed almost every year and so are very fertile, thus ideal for intensive agriculture. The third important physical feature is Peninsular Plateau. It is composed of old crystalline, igneous and metamorphic rocks formed due to breaking and drifting of Gondwana land. It consists of two broad divisions, Central Highland and Deccan Plateau. It is bounded by Aravalli Hills from western side, Chota Nagpur from eastern side and Nilgiri from south. Major rivers of Central Highlands are the Chambal, the Sindh, the Betwa and the Ken, which flow from southwest to northeast. It is wider in the west and narrower in the east. Eastward extension locally known as Bundelkhand and Baghelkhand. Its eastward extension further east is Chota Nagpur Plateau. It is drained by river Damodar. Second part of Peninsular Plateau is Deccan Plateau. It is a triangular landmass. Satpura Range flank its broad base in north and Maikal Range, the Mahadev and Kaimur Range form eastern extension. An extension of plateau in northeast is known as Meghalaya, North Kachar Hills and Karbi Anglong Plateau. Extreme northeastern part of Deccan Plateau is separated by a fault from Chota Nagpur Plateau. Three prominent hills of northeastern extension are Garo, Khasi and Jayantiya hills. This is map showing three major parts of Peninsular Plateau. So students, that's all for today's lecture. Remaining relief feature we will learn in our second lecture, Physical Features, class 9th part 2. Thank you.